Good morning, students. In the previous class we have completed the problem set 12. We have seen the words problem, okay, on the basis of subtraction by the another method. In this, for solving these questions we have used the subtraction by another method, okay. So now in this class we're going to be see what is mean by mixed fraction, mixed example. What is mean by mixed example? So if we talk about mixed, that means you will get two or more operation, okay. In maths we know that plus and addition means addition and subtraction are the operation of maths, okay. So maths is dealing with the addition and subtraction. Mixed example is, that means an example which will contain the addition also and subtraction also. Here you can see that we have addition also here and subtraction also. In the previous, whenever we are solving, you will only use these kinds of problems where between these two number you will get only a subtraction sign, okay. Or you can see between these two number, between three numbers only same sign you will get. Here it is addition, here also it is addition, but in the mixed example you will get addition as well as subtraction. Now if we are getting only addition, you can easily add all the values and find the answer. If you are getting subtraction, you can subtract the numbers and you can find the answer. But how to solve these kinds of example? Clear? So first of all, if you see this question, carefully see this question, you can find between these two number you get an addition sign, okay. So first of all you will solve addition number. Here before 4 which sign is there? Nothing. Sign is not given before 4. That means if the sign is not given, that 4 is included in a positive number. Clear? Before 5 which sign is there? Minus. That means this number is in negative, or you can say that from these two, after addition you have to subtract these number. Clear? First of all you will going to be add these two number, and whatever answer you will get, after that you have to subtract 516304. Clear? We'll solve. How we can solve this question, we'll see this. Okay, so first of all I told you that you have to add these two number, then you will subtract it from this number, okay. So here it is given how we can add with a unit. 8 plus 2 you will get 10. 0 you will write here and 1 carry forward upside. Clear? Now 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 1 10. Again 0 downside and 1 carry forward upside. Clear? Now 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 5 13. Here 3 and here 1 carry forward. Now 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 1 13. So 3 here and 1 carry forward upside. Like that only you are doing the addition now. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 0 you will get 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay. So here here you are getting, after addition of these two number you are getting 6233 0 0. Okay, so now after addition, whatever you will get here, 6 2 3 3 0 0. Now this operation is remaining now, so here sign you will write minus and 5 1 6 3 0 4. Now between these two numbers, which sign is there? Minus. That means from 6 to 3 3 0 0 minus 5 1 6 3 0 4, means between these two numbers you will get a minus sign. That means you have to do subtraction. Let's see how we can do subtraction. Now I told we'll subtract by the another method we have learned here. Okay, so by that method only we are going to be subtract. Now it is 0 and downside it is 4. We can't subtract if we are not able to subtract 0 minus 4. Okay, because 0 is less number as compared to 4. So what we'll do? By the another method we will assume this will be 10. Now if it is 10, 10 minus 4 easily we can do, it is 6. So now if we are assuming, I told you if we are assuming the next column, what we have to do? We have to add 1 here. Now again it is 0 but here it is 1. We can't subtract. Okay, so again we have to assume it is 10. So 10 minus 1 you will get 9. Okay, so here we have assumed. So what we'll do in the next number? We're going to be add here. Now it is 3. Clear? And here it is 3 plus 1, it is 4. It will become 4. So we can't subtract 3 minus 4. So what we'll do? We will going to be assume it is 13. So 13 minus 4 you will get 9. Clear? 13 minus 4 you will get 9. Now this 9 we have assumed here as 13. So what we'll do in the next column downside, we will going to be add 1. Now if we see upside, what is 3 and here it is 6 plus 1, it is 7. So 3 minus 7 we can't do. So what we'll do? We will assume upside number as, only we have to assume. Okay, no need of taking help to our neighborhood numbers. We will going to be assume only. 13 minus 7 you will get 6. 13 minus 7 you will get 6 here. And if we are assuming here, what we have to do here? 1 add. Okay, so 2 minus 2 you will get 0. No need of assuming here because 2 is sufficient to minus 2, will get 0. Now 6 minus 5 you will get 1. So answer will become 106996. Clear? You will get answer is 1,06,996. Okay, so here also if you see this, what we have to do? Now see, between these two numbers, which sign is there? Subtraction. That means between these two you have to subtract. But before see that, the first number should be greater compared to this number. Yes or no? Then only we can subtract, na? So this is greater as compared to this. So first of all you have to subtract these two. Then whatever answer you will get, you have to add with this. Clear? First subtract these two number and whatever answer you will get, you have to add this with this number. Clear? As you can see here, they have subtracted these two number first, and whatever answer they have got, they have add with 60127. Clear? You can see this. Now we'll see the worst problem based on the mixed example. Okay, So here it is a word problem. First word problem is given. We will see and we will solve that question. Okay. So easy it is. Only we have to see what is with whom we have to subtract and with whom we have to add the values. So here the forest department planted 23,078 trees of care. Okay, so forest department have planted 23,078 trees of care. 19,476 of Bihara, beside trees of several other kinds. Means along with these two trees, they have planted more trees also, which they didn't mention the name. So they have planted the three kinds of trees. Okay, first is Kher and second one is Bihara, and third one we don't know. Okay, so if the department planted 5,000 trees together, means how many total trees they have planted? They have planted 50,000 trees together. In that 23,000, near about 23,000 trees of Kher and near about 19,000 trees of Bihara. Okay, so what they want afterwards? How many trees were neither of Kher nor of Bihara? Means they have planted three types of trees. Okay, so one is Kher and second one is Bihara. So they are asking what is the how many trees they have planted of third type. So first of all we have to, means in other words, if I will explain like that, suppose you have 10 chocolates, okay, and 2 of Dairy Milk and 3 of Kit Kat. Okay, so if you have 10 chocolates, if you have 10 chocolates, total number of chocolates you have 10. 2 is of Dairy Milk, 3 is of Kit Kat, and they are asking how third types of chocolate you have is Munch. They are asking how many Munch chocolates will we have. If we have 2 Dairy Milks, 3 Kit Kat, and how many Munch we have? First of all, what we have to do to find the number of chocolates Munch we have? First of all, we have to add these two, means this is 2 plus 3 is 5. That means total number of Dairy Milk and Kit Kat we have 5 chocolates. So remaining chocolates will be of Munch only. Clear? So this way only we will have to find this. First of all, we will see the questions. Forest department planted the Kher tree is 23,078. The forest department planted the Bihara tree is 19,476. The total number of trees they have planted 50,000. Like that only, this is the area they have planted the trees. Number of Kher tree is 23,000 and Bihara is 19,476, and this is the area which they have neither planted the Kher neither planted the Bihara. So they have planted here some other tree, and total number of trees they have 50,000. So first of all, what we have to do to find this area? How many trees they have planted? What we have to do? First of all, we have to add these two together, and then we have to subtract it from 50,000. Clear? Then we will get this empty means this area, how many trees they have planted here. Clear? So first of all, we are going to be add these two. So total number of Kher and Bihara trees is 19,476 plus 23,078. So addition you will get 42,554. That means total number of Kher and Bihara trees are 42,554. So now the trees were neither a Kher nor a Bihara. How we can find? From subtraction from the total number of trees. So here 50,000 minus 42,554. If we subtract, you will get 7,446. So 7,446 are the trees which is neither a Kher nor Bihara. Okay.